Bonjour les enfants, this is Camille Morin, your French teacher from French Pearl with Camille. In today's lesson, we are going to learn the combination of DR followed by a vowel. Please watch this video without skipping because I am going to give you a tip on how to read the D correctly in French. In my experience, I've seen that Anglophone students still pronounce the French D as D. It's not D, 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 D. You have to give the D sound. So we have dra, dra, drapeau, 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 dre, dre, vendredi, 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 dro, drôle, 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 dru, dru, drupe, drupe. So that's it for this lesson. See you in the next lesson. Until then, au revoir et à bientôt. Just hit the like button before leaving. Merci, à bientôt.